Both Tom and Lita have been very active in the life of the parish. I've been at St. Margaret Mary Church for the past 6.5 years, and it's been a privilege to know them. Tom and Lita are very active. They're as far as bringing their children there and grandchildren as well. I know Lita is very active in our social ministry outreach program. And I'm sure Tom helps her a great deal in terms of our food pantry and trying to provide for the needs of those who are less fortunate in our community. And I know Lita also is a Eucharistic minister for our parish and participates in that way as well. And then Tom has been just there around the parish. You know, if anything needs to be done, he's there to add whatever might be needed in terms of the parish.
Since I began the 2010-11 school year, Tom and Lita McCarty have been very giving and caring to Parkersburg Catholic High School in many ways. Mr. and Mrs. McCarty have given us the capital to complete the teacher workroom in our building with labor and supplies, and we're naming that room St. Joseph the Worker Room and dedicating it to the McCartys.
Tom and Lita are the kind of people that are supporters that every school in our diocese needs and depends on. And they're involved behind the scenes, and they're involved in the big things, the obvious things that you need through their work, through donations to the school for different things your building needs, but they're also those folks that are supporters of you no matter what. You know, not only are they there as basketball coaches and homeroom helpers, but they're also there supporting you behind in all the things you do.
Tom and Lita are the type of people that when you call, they ask, what can I do to help? They're solution people. They're always looking for a way to get things done. They're very dedicated. One of the things that I find really comforting is 11 o'clock Mass at St. Margaret Mary. You know where Tom and Lita are sitting, and that's a great feeling. It's a good feeling to know that we have people like that in our community that have a strong foundation. Makes the schools sit on more firm ground. Tom and Lita, your support has been tremendous. What we have accomplished in the 3 years that I've been here would never have happened if it wasn't for your love, your dedication, and your constant work to make things better here at Parkersburg Catholic Schools.
There had to be a lot of sacrifices involved in the Catholic school systems way before us. And we could see that for it to last and to prosper, we couldn't just sit and not become involved. We felt it was our obligation to those who came before us to become involved.
We want to make sure that Catholic education is viable, alive, healthy here in the Mid-Ohio Valley for years to come. It was here when we came. That was one of the things we were looking for when we moved to this area, was a Catholic school, and we want to make sure it's here for many more people.
I thank those who came before us for the opportunities. Never want to lose sight of that. And I think the people who are involved in the school systems today should some way impart that to their children, the great gift of Catholic schools.
Congratulations, Nana and Poppy. We love you.